So let's see here. Moving on, we're going to talk to Worlize. He just handed me something that said, "I'm the Turtle 32. What do they call you?" Brian McKelvey is here. He's the CEO of Worlize. Hi, Brian.
Hi.
What's Worlize?
It's a new kind of real-time social experience on the web.
Worlize?
Correct, yeah.
What if I go there, will I see something?
You will see a big Enter Now button that you can click on.
Is it aggregating Twitter feeds? What are you doing?
No, it's sort of sits in the void right now between social gaming and virtual worlds. Where
this is almost like avatar chat, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's an avatar chat system.
It's so funny that you should say this, because I saw something about this, and I sent a note to our CEO saying, we should look into this for our chat. Because we have, as you can see, an IRC chat, and I like IRC. Right. It was the original chat format. It's easy for anybody to use. It's plain text. But this is more... Can you pick up my computer screen? So let me sign in. Before you do, let me just sign in with my Twitter username and password. Should I use Twitter or Facebook? It doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter, no.
Okay. So I'm going to sign in with Twitter. So I don't have to create a Worlize account. You're just going to use my existing accounts from Facebook or Twitter.
Right.
I have given you permission, and now I have to give you a screen name. I'll just use my real name. You're Turtle, what is it, 32? The Turtle 32?
Yeah, that's me.
What, do you want to tell us a story behind that?
Back in junior high.
Junior high, okay.
I was signing up for a website, and I was Turtle throughout, most of existence, and so I put that in, but it wasn't available, so I had 32 megs of RAM in my machine at the time.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, really, really geeky, but...
No, we would never, by the way, abandon IRC. We have 1,000 people in our chat room right now. There's no way a chat like this could accommodate 1,000 people. It'd go kind of crazy, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think it probably would. But we've got a lot of people that are interested in doing live event-type things.
How interesting.
Because we have, for example, a built-in YouTube player where you can drop it in and anybody can paste in a URL to a YouTube video, and it plays for everybody in the room at the same time.
Oh, how fun.
So yeah, so we're trying to figure out a way to make it accommodating for larger audiences.
So I am now loading up Worlize. Is it Java-based? Is it JavaScript? Is it HTML? How does it work?
Right now, it's Flash.
Flash, okay. You say right now, you're planning to do an HTML5 version?
Yeah, as soon as I can get the bandwidth to do it.
You wrote this?
Yeah, uh-huh.
So this is all yours, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat. You had venture funding, or are you doing this all on your own? You're bootstrapping?
We're bootstrapped so far. I've been working on it full-time for the last 6 months.
Wow.
My business partner's been kind enough to finance that for us.
Well, this is exciting. So you're a startup.
Correct, yeah.
And brand new, and I think we just brought your site down, but that's okay.
So, yeah, one of the reasons I wanted to do this was social gaming. Like, they force you to spam your friends to get ahead.
I hate that.
Yeah, and you have to deal with the drudgery of planting and harvesting your crops.
I hate that.
And the gameplay is drudgery in The Sims Social, in Farmville.
Exactly.
And
the drudgery attached to guilt because you haven't done what your friends harvested their crops, and I hate it.
Right, and then you ruin your relationships with your friends by sending all this spam to them. So
you know what? I stopped playing We Rule, and there are people who hate me to this day because I stopped playing We Rule. I got them into it. And then I said, this is horrible, and I left.
Yeah.
So you get the same kind of social play without the drudgery and without the guilt?
Exactly. And really, I wanted all of your friends can go directly to your world or directly to wherever you happen to be in the Worlize universe. You have to be a 3D artist.
Right.
And that's really hard. It's a very high bar, and the software costs hundreds of dollars.
Right. So the tools that you provide are sufficient to do the customization?
Exactly.
That's great. Unfortunately, I think we broke your site, so you may want to run and fix it. But please apologize to your business partner for the bandwidth bill that he's about to get. What you didn't realize is we just sent thousands of people to use Worlize all at the same time. But I am going to I just set up an account, and I am going to use it. And so you're here at CES just to tell people about it? Do you have a booth? What is Worlize doing at CES?
We were part of a press event called Startup Debut at the beginning of the week.
Yeah, yeah.
And I've just been hanging around and talking to people and walking the show floor.
How fun.
Yeah.
What is your goal here? What would you like to
have? Worlds. Like, this one guy has started building a game sort of like Myst, because the interaction
Wow.
model is similar.
Wow.
So you can create all these multi-room things where you can click through to go to the next area. And so, I hadn't really necessarily anticipated that particular use, but I think it's great, and we're going to build out some more features and put together an API so that developers can build interactive content in Flash and then hopefully in JavaScript, so that they can make really rich games and sell those objects into our forthcoming marketplace. So you could drop in a checkers or something into your room and play with multiple users.
Sounds very exciting, Brian. It's so nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Look for Brian in your Is it open to the public, or do you?
Yes, it is.
It is. Okay.
Yeah, it's free. Sign up.
The Turtle 32. I'm Leo Laporte in the Worlize, and we've DDoSed it for now, but it'll be back on in any minute now.
All right.
I apologize in advance. I should have known. Never go to a site on live air unless you really want to bring it down, or they have really massive.
Did it actually go down?
It's stuck. Yeah, everybody in the
Okay.
chat room saying nothing's happening. So.
All right. We'll go fix it.
No big deal. No big deal, but you probably want to run off right now and do that. Thank you. It's great to meet you, Brian.
Likewise.
Worlize. Just keep it in your bookmarks, WORLIZE.com. I'm going to check it out, absolutely. And I think it'd be fun for us to have a little Worlize room in the background and see what happens. Where did the name come from, Worlize?
Your World Realized.
Your World Realized. I got it. Worlize. Yeah, it's
Okay.
kind of black
All right.
screen right now. It was loading, and now
It's all cloud-based. It's all I
Thanks.
need.
Nice to meet you. Good luck.
Likewise. Thank you.
It's really great. Brian Brian McKelvey from Worlize.com. Yeah, 503. Sorry, kind of broke it. We do need Twit insurance for people who come here to show us their websites. The poor guy, he's running off right now to go spin up a few more servers. He'll be fine any minute now.